Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be looking at my November update over on the Stake platform. And I've now got 43 properties that I'm receiving rental income from. Actually, it's 42 because one of them is actually the fix and flip property where you invest into it, Stake then fix the property up and then sell it for a profit. And that property won't actually be getting any rental income. So 42 are bringing in rent, and then one is that fix and flip. Before we get on the laptop though, and I show you how the portfolio is going and how much rental income I had in the month of November, just like to mention the Investing Boss Facebook group, which you can check out via the link down in the description if you're not yet a member. It's a great place to talk about all things stake and Dubai property investing. Oh, and just a quick request, if I may. I've checked on my YouTube analytics for this channel and seen that 94% of viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So it would really make my day if you are a returning viewer, you maybe seen a few of these videos and you're not yet subscribed. If you can tap the subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Okay then, so getting on the laptop. Here we are going to start off actually on page 5, and then we'll work our way down to page 1. So on page 5 here, you can see the 3 properties there, actually really good gains, 10%, 11%, even 34.5%-ish there, with some reasonable rental income there. They're properties that I've owned for a longer period of time. That's why there's such good rental income for small amounts of, relatively small amounts of money invested. Now let's jump over to page 4. So of the 10 properties listed on page 4 here, we can see we've got a really nice 20% gain there at the bottom. Then there's some smaller percentage gains of like 2 and 3%. There's a 16% gain there of my studio apartment in the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building currently. And then there's a few there that are like very small gains of just like 0.5% here and there. Some decent rental income on some of those. Well, there's actually one there, some of you may have noticed already, that's in the red. That's the first property on Stake I've ever had in the red. And the reason for that, with the 3-bed townhouse in, so that's going to be Spring, I forget the full name of it now. Yes, 3-bed townhouse in Spring, Arabian Ranches. The tenant that was actually renting that property, they left the UAE. They just decided to stop paying their rent, left the UAE, and basically there's been some like legal battles to get the property back. From the last email I got from Stake, I believe it's sometime in December that Stake are going to take control of the property again, because obviously there's certain channels they have to go through. And they'll start trying to find a new tenant. If they find any renovations need doing on the property, they'll do that work. They'll find a new tenant, and then hopefully by the end of maybe February, I would guess. I'd like to say January, but probably the end of February, maybe we'll see some rental payments starting again on that, and the property value increasing as well. Now, the next 10 properties here on page 3, we have, again, a few there at like 0.5% gain. There's the 2-bed in City Walk 11, which was my first ever property I invested in on Stake. That's now up at 10.31% gain. Quite happy with that. £23.25 taken in rental income. There's the 1-bed in Marquis Square, that's up 16%, and then another one at 10% gain there. So overall, not too bad. Obviously, could be better on that page, but can't complain. And then if we jump over to page 2, now these properties on page 2, it's going to look a bit differently. So got a 2% gain there, a slight percentage gain on those 2 at the bottom, and then another 2% gain. And then what we have here, we actually have properties that I've just invested in through the regular sort of means you can do, where you browse through properties on the platform. You can see 2 of them. It says rental payout expected end of December. So that'll be nice to get those paying as well. And then the 2-bed townhouse in Spring, that'll be Arabian Ranches again. That's payout expected January. So yeah, they're not yet paying out because I've only just invested in them. And then this 3-bed penthouse in Sabah that it says there before it cuts you off. I put £112.52 into that one, and that's the fix and flip. So because Stake bought that one at such a large discount because it needs work doing, instantly it's already brought in essentially a 5% gain after the fees. So it was actually purchased at a 7% discount. So after all the fees and everything and the conversion over, it's a gain of 4.92%, which I'm quite happy with as an instant gain on, it's a very small amount of money I put in there, but I just wanted to see how the process worked with the fix and flips. Documents have been issued with that, but as I say, there won't be any actual rental income paid from that one. Then further up, we got three there with, so just shy of £200 invested in one, then at £900 in another one, nearly 900. And it says share transfer pending for those three. And that's because they were purchased in the beginning of November exit window. So people were selling their shares in their properties at a discount, maybe at 10, 15, or 20% that I bought some of those at. And basically, they just wanted to get out of the platform and get their money back. Sometimes that happens because people don't see the long-term outlook of it. Like, you really need to focus on this as it's an investment for years, not just weeks or months. And people sometimes don't realize that, and then they just want to sell them and get their money back. That's where longer-term investors can actually take advantage and invest at those discounts and then earn more money from them over the long run. So if we now jump over to page one, I can show you these final few here. And on page one, we have at the bottom there my single most large investment in a property of just over £3,300 with a 34.5% gain there. That's the highest rental income property I've had because of it being so much money invested, £111.77 in rental income from that one. And then we have a couple more there rented at the bottom, which are like a 8.5%, 9.5% gain. Fantastic. Then at the top, a very nice 19.5% gainish. And then another one at 6% gain with some rental income paid. And then you can see on another one, two, three, four, five of pretty small amounts of money. I mean, you got £400, a £200, and then actually one big one there, a larger one of 741, but then a couple of really small ones there of like £57 and £39. They're all properties, again, that are share transfer pending because they were purchased in that exit window. So it's going to be like 8 properties in total that will be transferred over and rental income paid at the end of January. So the payment that you're going to see here that I had for the end of November, although it's my largest ever single month of rental income, at the end of December, it's going to be slightly larger. And then at the end of January, it's going to be really, really big. Now, you can see here for this month, I've actually been paid 209.43 dirhams. So that equates to, at the current exchange rate, £44.92. So call it £45. And on stake here, you can actually see for the end of October, because this hasn't updated yet, I had £43.46. So it's only gone up by around that £2.50 mark there, not a huge jump. But as I say, December it's going to jump higher, and then January is where we're going to see the even larger jump there. I'm estimating maybe £55 potentially rental income. Total rental income, that's updated as the end of October, so it's saying £473.65. But actually, with the November's rent, it's £518.57. Total appreciation hasn't changed. It shouldn't have changed much from the last video I did 2 months ago, because the appreciation doesn't change that often. It's not updated too often. You can see there, number of properties now total 43. As I mentioned earlier in the video, 42 are rental. 1 is the fix and flip, so it's 42 producing that rental income. 97% occupancy rate because of that one tenant leaving the country. And then the annual rental yield currently is 4.82%, which is slightly up from previous. I think it was like 4.7, so that's good to see that. And you can see now the total portfolio value is 16,900, which from the last video, I think it was around 12,000. So we're quite a way up there, nearly just shy of 17,000. But soon I'm going to be doing a video on the new auto invest feature, so look out for that video coming. And Stake have just announced yesterday that they're very, very close to launching the Stake in Saudi Arabia. They've set up an office there, but they're soon going to be launching like funds there that you can invest in and get rental income from properties in Saudi Arabia. So I'm quite excited for that. Please do comment below if you have any updates of your own, how your portfolio is growing, what rental income you've had. Let me know if you have any video ideas that I could put together to upload here on the Investing Boss channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.